Cucumbers are a refreshing, healthy snack, but when paired with certain foods, they might be harmful. Research suggests that combining cucumbers with certain ingredients could increase the risk of serious health conditions like cancer and dementia. So, should you toss that salad, or is it all just hype? Let's dive into the science behind these claims, uncover the best and worst cucumber recipes, and explore how you can enjoy this crunchy vegetable safely. Get ready for a mix of surprising facts, humor, and tasty advice that'll have you thinking twice about your next cucumber dish. The pros and cons of cucumbers. Cucumbers are packed with vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants. They're great for hydration, skin health, and even weight loss. But when combined with specific foods, some studies suggest they might produce harmful compounds. For instance, mixing cucumbers with tomatoes may lead to digestive issues due to their differing digestion times, while pairing them with milk could cause indigestion. Top 3 best cucumber recipes. 1. Cucumber mint cooler, a refreshing, digestion-friendly drink. 2. Cucumber yogurt dip, perfect for a light snack. 3. Cucumber salad with olive oil, a heart-healthy dish. Top 3 worst cucumber combos. 1. Cucumber and tomato salad could cause bloating. 2. Cucumber milkshake, not your tummy's best friend. 3. Cucumber with citrus may irritate sensitive stomachs. Enjoy cucumbers, but choose your pairings wisely. Like this video if you're rethinking your salad game